What's up, YouTube? MX Dude there. So, yep, but more junk. '01 Banshee. And engine is here. Banshee's there. She's in parts. Just how I like them. So, the bike did come with a few goodies on it. It's got a Lone Star Racing rear end, Lone Star Racing tie rod end, and I had two sets of plastic. The OEM one are actually in pretty good shape. It got a custom handlebar clamp. It doesn't look that bad, so I might just keep it. So engine need top end. Bottom is in good shape. I do need to change that stator cover. It's all fucked, but I'm gonna get a new one. Oh yeah, fucking guy lost a nut, and he used a hammer. See, I need to get a bolt. It's all fucked. No good. But yeah, plastics are in kind of really good shape. For a Banshee, yeah, they're in good shape. So I got all the parts here. So the engine is here. Got the pipe, bumper, and nerve bars. It actually came with old school DJ pipes. I might get some Pro Circuit one because I love Pro Circuit. But I'm planning to fully restore it, and oh yeah, hopefully it's not gonna cost too much money. And I'm planning to dump a bit of money into it to make it look good. I'm gonna repaint the frame, get new tires, rebuild the engine, get a new seat cover, new handlebar, the whole 9 yard, fully restore, and then I'm gonna sell it. So I did get a fucking 400 EX2, but yeah, I'm not gonna rebuild it. It's gonna be for sale as is. But yeah, hopefully it's not gonna take too much time. I do have some of the parts here. So I got the brand new top end. It's an Asian top end, but I'm gonna try it. I don't care. Chinese top end, tie rod end, carburetor, harness. I do need to fix the harness because it's the guy deleted the headlight. I don't know why. Kind of ridiculous. I do have the original jug. Not sure where I put. They're fucked. I put them back on the engine, so they're already there. Those are the OEM jugs, so I might just keep them. And I'm gonna test out that Asian top end. Already did the video on it. It's not that bad, but I just ordered some new wrist pin bearing because they look cheesy, really cheap, really cheap. So I think that's about it. I'm gonna post another video as soon as I get some parts in. And well, first thing, I want to repaint the frame. See, I fixed the back of the frame. It was broken right there, so I cut another fucking 400DX out in parts. Oh yeah. Yeah, and we re-weld some air on it because it was broken. So my finger was in the way. Fuck. So I had to fix that bolt too. It was stripped on both sides actually. So I drew it out and I welded the nut on it. Right there too. That side came out better, but yeah, I fixed it too. And actually, my brother welded them. Okay, my brother welded them. I don't even fucking know the welder. So yeah, that's about it. I will talk to you guys as soon as I get some parts in and I start working on it. But like I say, I really want to paint the frame right now. Well, right now, next week I guess, as soon as possible. And then yeah. So, peace out, guys.